Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Today I dive into the world of renewable energy stocks and challenge myself to pick the top performers for 2025. As we all know, the world is shifting towards cleaner and greener energy sources, and savvy investors are taking notice. Renewable energy stocks have been gaining traction over the past few years, and 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for the industry. With governments worldwide implementing policies to support renewable energy, the sector is poised for significant growth. The potential for investors is huge, and it's essential to get in on the ground floor. Renewable energy stocks offer a unique opportunity to make a profit, while also contributing to a sustainable future. The world continues to transition away from fossil fuels. Companies focused on renewable energy are likely to see significant gains. But what makes these stocks so attractive, and which ones should you consider adding to your portfolio? The growth of renewable energy is not just a trend, it's a necessity. As climate change becomes a pressing concern, governments and companies are under increasing pressure to reduce their carbon footprint. This shift has created a surge in demand for renewable energy sources, making it an exciting time for investors. The question on everyone's mind is, which renewable energy stocks will lead the charge in 2025? The renewable energy sector still faces several challenges that investors need to be aware of. One of the significant hurdles is the reliance on fossil fuels, which continues to dominate the global energy landscape. This reliance creates market volatility, making it challenging for renewable energy companies to predict and manage their revenues. Additionally, the sector is constantly evolving, with new technologies emerging and old ones becoming obsolete. The cost of technology is another significant challenge. While the cost of renewable energy technologies like solar and wind power has decreased over the years, it's still a substantial investment for companies and individuals. Energy storage is also a critical issue, as the intermittent nature of renewable energy sources requires efficient and cost-effective storage solutions. Furthermore, regulatory frameworks and government policies can significantly impact the profitability of renewable energy companies. Geopolitical factors also play a crucial role in the renewable energy sector. Trade tensions and tariffs can affect the supply chain and costs for renewable energy companies. Public perception and acceptance of renewable energy projects can also be a challenge, particularly in areas where there is resistance to new infrastructure projects. Despite these challenges, many renewable energy companies are making significant strides in innovation and efficiency. Companies are developing new technologies and improving existing ones to make renewable energy more viable. For instance, advancements in solar panel efficiency and energy storage are making it possible to harness and store renewable energy more effectively. This innovation is driving growth and creating new opportunities for investors. So, which companies are leading the charge? Let's take a look at some of the top renewable energy stocks poised for growth in 2025. First up, we have Vestas, a Danish company that's a leading manufacturer of wind turbines. Their commitment to innovation and sustainability has made them a favorite among investors. Next, we have SunPower, a US-based company that's pushing the boundaries of solar energy technology. Their cutting-edge products and strong market presence make them an attractive option. Another company worth mentioning is Enel Green Power, an Italian company that's making significant investments in renewable energy. Their diversified portfolio and strong track record make them a compelling choice. We also have Ørsted, a Danish company that's a leader in offshore wind energy. Their expertise and innovative approach have earned them a spot on our list. Canadian Solar is another company that's making waves in the renewable energy sector. Their focus on solar energy and commitment to sustainability have made them a top pick. Then there's Brookfield Renewable Partners, a Canadian company that's a leading owner and operator of renewable energy assets. Their diversified portfolio and strong financials make them an attractive option. Next, we have NextEra Energy, a US-based company that's a leading producer of wind and solar energy. Their commitment to innovation and sustainability has earned them a spot on our list. We also have Iberdrola, a Spanish company that's making significant investments in renewable energy. Their diversified portfolio and strong track record make them a compelling choice. After careful consideration, I'm going to reveal my top pick for 2025. Ørsted. Their expertise in offshore wind energy, combined with their innovative approach, makes them a standout. Their recent performance has been impressive, with significant growth in revenue and profitability. Ystad's commitment to sustainability and reducing carbon emissions aligns perfectly with the global shift towards cleaner energy. Ystad's market potential is substantial, with a strong pipeline of projects and a solid financial foundation. Their ability to adapt to changing market conditions and technological advancements will be crucial in 2025. With a strong track record and a clear vision for the future, I believe Ørsted is poised to dominate the market in 2025. Their innovative approach to offshore wind energy has given them a competitive edge. Ørsted's focus on sustainability and reducing carbon emissions makes them an attractive option for investors looking to make a positive impact. The company's recent performance has been impressive. I believe they have the potential to continue this growth in 2025. In conclusion, renewable energy stocks offer a unique opportunity for investors to make a profit while contributing to a sustainable future. The sector is poised for significant growth, driven by government policies and increasing demand for clean energy. By investing in renewable energy stocks, you're not only diversifying your portfolio, but also supporting a cleaner and greener future. The top renewable energy stocks I've highlighted today: Vestas, SunPower, Enel Green Power, Ørsted, Canadian Solar, Brookfield Renewable Partners, Extra Energy, and Iberdrola all have strong potential for growth in 2025, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. It's essential to do your research and consider adding these stocks to your portfolio. The future of energy is clean, and the future of investing is in renewable energy stocks. I'm excited to see how these companies perform in 2025 and beyond. If you have any thoughts on which renewable energy stocks you believe will perform well, please comment below. If you missed my previous video on investment strategies, be sure to check it out and let me know what you think.